Hi guys, Miss Sahakian here. Yesterday we were talking about bullying online, but today we're going to move on and talk about your passwords and how you can make it safe for you to use at home. So, password safety is very important, boys and girls. You need to know who to tell and how to create one. We're going to start off by not telling anybody your password. It's top secret. So you can only tell your parents just in case you forget it. They can let you know. And of course, you can trust your parents to remind you. And don't give it to your friends, even if it's your best friend. You think you can trust them, that's fine. But you never know. They can use it for other purposes and it won't be a good idea. They can accidentally tell someone else that you're not friends with, and then we have a problem. And someone might pretend that they're you online and open an account or do an activity that you wouldn't want to be on your personal account either. So don't tell anybody. Next, don't only use one password. I have been guilty of this in the past. I'll admit, Miss Sahakian isn't perfect, but you need to change your password for different websites and programs. Don't always use the same one. In case someone finds out your password, it'll be easy for them to access it in various accounts. And that's not safe. So I've learned my lesson, and many years ago, I started using different passwords for different reasons. Don't keep it too simple. You need to use capital letters, lowercase, and numbers. Don't use your name. Don't use your birthday. Your friends know these information about you, and you need to make it easy to remember for you, but difficult for others to guess right off the bat what your password will be. Next, try not to use real words. Try to use symbols or punctuation marks. Don't use words of your favorite hobby or your TV shows that you watch and you always talk about, or that you write about in your social media pages, or personal information like that. Also, try to use more than 8 characters in your password. This is very important. Try not to make it too short. For example, you can think of a sentence in your head. I have 2 favorites, chocolate and strawberry, and you can use a punctuation mark. And then you take the first letter of each word, and that's very difficult to find out those letters because you have that sentence memorized in your head, and it's very random. So here are some examples of weak passwords versus strong passwords. I'll give you a second. You can pause this video. You can look at the differences. The strong passwords aren't real words. They're not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's very common. You see different letters, uppercase, lowercase. And try to change your password up. After a few months or a year, try to change it to something else for a different account. It's time for a change. And here's a fun little video Miss Sahakian thought you guys would enjoy. It's a little friendly rap, and you kind of summarize everything you learned about password safety. Okay, boys and girls, you need to keep it a secret. Only tell your parents just in case you forget. You have to change up your password. Try to not to use your same password for different websites. Try to change it up often. Now, I would like you guys to go on your own and try to write down some passwords that you think you can use in the future. And next time you and your parents find a website that you like, you can tell them and they can confirm with you, and you can teach them about password safety as well. Thank you.